three ladies, we have started our own enterprise named Inmalate Foods. We are incubatee of ABI Ecrisat. So we have a product, Jawar Crispies. Jawar is sorghum. In fact, we started our this journey like we want to do something on our own. And when we made, we thought like, in fact, it took a few months for us to decide what to do. Then now we decided, okay, fine, let us do business, but also give back to the society, something healthy product and all. So that's how we ended up with millet. Okay. Then we went to DSR, it's a Directorate of Sorghum Research. There we saw the products, and we also went to their exhibition. I forgot the name of the exhibition, and there we saw the stalls of Ecrisat. And then we got the booklet. Then back home, I came, I went through the booklet, and then I mailed it back to Ecrisat. And a few days back, I got the reply. I got a PDF file where you had like everything regarding the agri-business incubation was written there. So in fact, like I got interested. It was good. And my husband, who is already into the FMNC world, like he suggested this is the right place to go. So that is how we came to ABI Ecrisat. Then we went through the products in the lab. The first day, I think, Datta Mazumdar sir, he took us to the lab. We saw the products, and we thought like, okay, this crispy is the first moving product. As a mother, we couldn't stop our children to have kurkure. So we thought, why don't we pick up this product, bring up, and give them a healthier option. That is how we
are planning like that.
Yeah. Then like we took the product, this ABI Ecrisat product. We went to many exhibitions, schools, and then school carnivals we participated. Then we got the response, and in fact, like we got the feedback of the customers, like how they like the product, what changes they want in the product, basically. So that way is like it almost took us 8 months, right, to like walk out on the product. In the meantime, like we had almost 5 batches, and every time we did modifications.
Composition we have changed and
Change
everything.
Yeah.
according to the people who
Needs
needs everything.
Yeah, the size of the crispies, they want bigger size,
Taste,
crispiness,
Taste.
and also like we survey the market and saw other products. Of course, others means people are coming up doing something in millet. They also come up with the crispies and all. We saw, tasted their product, and then again we innovated our own product.
modifications, lot of modifications
Yeah.
are there. Finally, we reached that target.
So it's been a journey, and we are happy. Like last Sunday we had the product properly packed. We designed it, and like with the designer we had a really very tough time. Then again eventually we had it, and we are really happy with the product now to jump into the market, and we are thankful to our mentors, Dr. Datta Mazumdar sir,
Aravaji sir.
Yeah, of course Sunil is always there.
Ecrisat people.
Yeah, and of course the whole Ecrisat really helped us a lot, and we are thankful for that. And our our journey started. This was a tough period. We learned a lot. Being a housewife
And being a first generation entrepreneurs, we
Very
thought
good.
somebody is back of us. So that's keep us the confidence to go on.
boosted us,
Yeah,
right?
that's
To take off the challenge. So we came up to here, and we have a long journey to go ahead. We have many plans to have we want to build a enterprise with good ethics. Of course, we have to once the bulk order means we have a market, we want to go directly to the farmers and give the materials. So so that we can give a better price to the farmers. That is one point we are keeping in mind. In the long term, we have that goal. Once we have the market, we have
Directly.
to go directly to the farmers to get the raw materials.
Farmers.
And secondly, like we have to have women's in our enterprise. So more of women, and that's how we want to grow up. And of course, other plums are there. We'll see.
Even in any conference, if we go, also a lot of males will be seen there. So we thought, so many women also should come and do the things, and we can 2 hours also. If we are handling so many things, we can do this also.
Yeah, managing a home is a big challenge, right? If women can then do that, they can do anything. So that's how.
Okay.
That's it. Like we are really thankful to you
Thankful
all.
to everybody.
Hope in future also we get the support from you people.
ICRISAT people.
Yeah, and I am also thankful to my
Thanks to
partners.
Mm-hmm.
Like we
Vice
are
versa.
we are like-minded people, and it's good that we met together. In fact, I met them like means 1.5 years before, and like now we are now like soulmates.
Yeah.